Crazy marketing tactics like this may work to get customers in your shop, but they probably won't move the needle to really get customers through your door. In this video, we're going to talk about different forms of advertising to get customers through your doors. For starters, it's hard to be in business in today's world without some sort of online presence. A Facebook account and website, for example, could do wonders in your marketing efforts. Customers need a place to go when they look up service options near them. Don't be the one shop in your area without an online presence. Make sure your website is easy to use, works well on mobile devices, and is set up to be found on search engines. You should showcase what your shop offers, your prices, and feedback from happy customers to build trust. You can handle this on your own or hire someone to help, but it's not as complicated as it might seem. Are you just getting into the online scene and need a boost? Put money into pay-per-click ads on Google or social media to reach folks who are actively looking for car services near you. Some services can even tailor your ads to specific neighborhoods you want to target, meaning you can dial in your advertising practices. Good old word of mouth is strong, and nowadays online reviews are kind of picking up where word of mouth may be dropping off. Ask your customers to share their positive experiences on places like Google, Yelp, and Facebook, and be quick to respond, whether it's a thumbs up or a thumbs down, to show you're serious about keeping customers happy. When things go south in a review, step up with offers to make things right. Losing one customer might not be a biggie, but negative word of mouth, that's business threatening. Give a shout out to those leaving positive reviews and ask your customers to spread the good word to bring in fresh business. Another great way to market yourself is by hosting events and educational workshops. New driver workshops and basic car care workshops could not only help to educate the community, but also show them your expertise building trust. Collaborating with local businesses and participating in local events are also important ways to establish yourself in the community. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.